most of us. And the reason for it is yet another frontal zone. Ahead of it we had all that cloud today, and it stretches back a long way into the Atlantic, but it's got no real idea of where it's going to go. I think it'll hang around much of England and Wales for a couple of days yet. There it is tonight. Moving on tomorrow, we've had a wave wiggling up it, so it hasn't really pushed on a great deal. Now don't take in this detail, but just watch the general theme of things. The rain and the cloud pushes right across the central part of the British Isles, right until tomorrow evening. It's just the top and the tail of the country that's likely to stay relatively dry, the nearest thing we're going to have to summer. Well, there's some evening sunshine around, as you can see from the gaps in the cloud, but there's the frontal zone out to the west. So this evening then the rain will drift into Northern Ireland, maybe western Scotland, and overnight southern Scotland and a good deal of Northern Ireland. Cloudy night for all the rest of us. Consequently, temperatures on the mild side into double figures. Well, that's where the rain starts on Tuesday, possibly still some heavy bursts, cloudy to the south, already some sunshine to the north with 1 or 2 showers. Now the rain will tend to push southwards during the day into East Anglia, much of the Midlands, South Wales and South West England. As a result, it should brighten up in Northern Ireland, much of Northern England, and a good deal of Scotland, of course, will already be bright, if not rather sunny. But that rain will start to return once again to Northern Ireland in the afternoon, and maybe southern Scotland into the evening. With the rain, it will be rather windy, more windy than it was today, typically 25 miles an hour from the southwest. So with average temperatures, and in some places that's a little bit higher than we had just now, it'll still feel not really as warm as it should for the middle of June. Now ahead to Wednesday, and there's that frontal zone. It's the same one, so we've had a bit of a wave in it, still hanging back in the south. That means it'll be a rather wet night, so we'll start off with a wet day in almost all of England and Wales and southern Scotland, but much of the rest of northwestern Scotland, Northern Ireland should be brighter, 1 or 2 showers. As the rain tends to clear eastwards, brighter weather will come into much of the country, though it will stay rather cloudy in southern England with outbreaks of rain likely to return in the afternoon. Once again, temperatures are average, I suppose, for June, 18 to 20, same as they're going to be tomorrow, but again it'll still be windy, especially across the north of England and across